Hello gadget lovers, welcome to Wowwidgets. We are back with yet another cool selection of amazing gadgets and products that will take your life to another level, save your time and bring you comfort. Make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the valuable product. Before we start the video, make sure that you subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. Let's dive into the video. Yank Tech Motherbox Wireless Charger. The Motherbox is the first wireless charger that can really wirelessly charge your device. There's no contact required. It's truly wireless. You can charge your iOS or Android devices simultaneously and never worry about your charging cables again. Enjoy watching your favorite show, use your favorite app, all while keeping charged at the same time. No more interruptions, no more tangled cords, no more lower battery syndrome. The Motherbox can charge multiple devices simultaneously and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Stay powered at the places and moments you need your phone charged most. The Motherbox Mini is one of a kind, portable wireless charger. It's like wireless charging from an external battery pack and had a baby. The Motherbox Mini can send you push notifications when its battery is running low and allows you to set preferences on when you would like to charge. No hindrance from barriers, no contact required. Lenmudo Car Tent. Lenmudo Car Tent is easy to install with one-touch wireless remote. Automatically fold and unfold with a remote control. Its open process takes 8 seconds and the total installation process only takes 30 seconds. Designed with the folding structure, it is portable to make sure you can use it everywhere whenever you park your car. Lenmudo Car Tent is made up of super waterproof material and easy to clean up. It lowers car temperature up to 36 degrees. For the rainy or stormy day, the windproof level is up to wind speed of 13 meters per second. Lenmudo Car Tent gives shade to the entire body of the car and even protects your children from the heat. In hot weather, Lenmudo Car Tent can cool down car interior temperature up to 35 degrees Celsius. Lenmudo Car Tent is designed with a double anti-theft system. It is automatically opened and closed by wireless remote control, so it cannot be folded and taken away. Secondly, there is an anti-theft rope with a steel wireless buried inside, which cannot be cut easily to avoid being stolen. It is easy to set up and operate with a wireless remote control, saves time and effort. 4-season car protection prevents damage from the heat, dust, hail and more. Transform into an outdoor umbrella and spacious camping tent, enriching your outdoor activities. Parkes Bicycle Lift. Parkis is a simple and smart bicycle lift, an alternative to the traditional bicycle rack. This bicycle storage solution offers a unique experience of an easy and simple space savings. It is an ideal bike stand that saves space at any parking place. Parkis magically lifts your bike and allows you to forget all the struggles regarding bicycle parking. Vertical bicycle parking saves space and tidies up your living or work area. Parkis makes it easy to do that. Drawer Store Cutlery Organizer. This clever drawer organizer can be expanded or compacted to fit a range of different drawer sizes and comes with several compartments for all your cutlery and utensils. Organize cutlery drawers with this practical and smart storage solution. Expandable area for large items or utensils. It has a movable storage dish for small loose items. Coming up next, some amazing and exciting gadgets and products that will blow your mind. So stay tuned because they have the potential to change your life. So watch the video till the end. In the meantime, make sure that you like the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell notification. Thank you. Roxxon Spark Multi-Tool. The Roxxon Spark Multi-Tool consists of an independent locking mechanism. All the tools look nicely into place. 14 functions in one. Includes saw, knife, can opener, bottle opener, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, flintstone, whistle, reamer, scraper and all. Quick access to the knife, and the good sized blade actually came really sharp, so no additional work is required. ETC multi-tool with belt clip for camping and hiking. Compact and lightweight. The handle is made up of nylon and fiber plastic. It's lightweight and compact. Feels good at the grip. RhinoTough Portable Solar Charger. High efficiency solar cell. Get up to 25% conversion by using the most powerful solar cells in the market. SunPower X series. The 21 watt solar charger can charge your cell phone or tablet in as little as 2 hours. Never be stranded without power abuse. Compatible with almost all phone devices. The floating solar panel is smaller and lighter than other brands and equally powerful. Getting the same 21 watts is only 3 panels, which extends to 11.8 inches wide by 18.1 inches high and weighing less than 1 pound. It can charge 2 devices at once with a unique charging algorithm, which will distribute power in the most efficient way. It will automatically stop charging when fully charged or device is overheating. Smarter Fridge Cam Wireless Camera. The wireless refrigerator camera with a USB recharging port helps track fresh food inventory. Control remotely with the free easy-to-use Smarter app available for iOS and Android. Works with Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistant and more with the use of IFTTT. Fridge takes a photo every time you close your fridge door and sends it to your phone. Teach Fridge to recognize food items in your fridge and add them to your shopping list when you run low. Aqua Sprouts Garden. The Aqua Sprouts Garden is a self-sustaining aquarium and aquaponics kit for the home, office or school. Fish fertilize the plants. Plants clean the water for the fish. Fits any standard 10-gallon aquarium. Grow a variety of veggies, herbs, greens and decorative plants all year long. Perfect tool to explore how our natural environment works. Specialized teacher curricula available. This updated model includes adjustable drain extenders to quiet water flow. Imagine having a living ecosystem to grow, learn and discover, all in your own home. EcoSprout encourage a new approach to growing and the creation of self-sustaining ecosystems using the beauty of aquaponics. Coming up next, don't go away because there are still a couple of interesting and user-friendly gadgets waiting up for you in line. In the meantime, make sure that you subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. Hattori Makeup Organizer. The makeup organizer box with clear lid stores your cosmetic items of different shapes and sizes while keeping them well organized. Fully open design clear lid skincare product organizer box. Easily take the bottle you want. Hattori makeup storage box is very easy to use and is a space saver. No assembly is required. Decorated with clear dustproof and waterproof lid. Protect the makeup from water and dust. Triple Bristle Sonic Toothbrush. The Triple Bristle Sonic Toothbrush has a patented three-sided brush head that gets the job done in 1/3 the time. It has been scientifically designed with 31,000 sonic stroke vibrations per minute to give your teeth the best possible clean in 1/3 the time. The blue indicator bristles will slowly fade to white, reminding you it's time to replace your brush head. Emson Car Cane. The Emson Car Cane is a portable handle that assists you or your loved ones to get in and out of the car with ease and stability. Beloved by millions of Americans throughout the country. It's compatible with all the cars. The forged steel construction allows the car cane holds up to 350 pounds and gives you or your loved ones the leverage to lift yourself up. Backed by a money-back lifetime guarantee. The unique design is prepared for all situations and includes a window breaker, seatbelt cutter and super bright LED flashlight. Batteries included. The nozzle grip is comfortable to hold while giving you a handy grip for the ultimate security. The compact design can be stored away easily in your door or glove box. eMeet Luna Bluetooth Speakerphone. The eMeet Luna Bluetooth speakerphone features exclusive updated voice technology, eliminating background noise such as air conditioning noise, keyboard clicks, and general background noise. With the auto vocal increase function, this USB conference speakerphone is able to identify the distance of the sound source, automatically adjust the sound volume to realize self-volume balance, and provide a smooth and clear call experience. 3 microphone array equipped with self-developed voice algorithm technology to realize 360-degree free pickup. and the maximum volume of the speaker was increased to 89 decibels, making Luna Bluetooth conference speaker easy to apply to a larger conference room. This conference microphone and speaker was made to be full duplex, ensuring your remote conference cannot be interrupted.